find the center and radius of the circle 3x squared plus 3y squared plus 12y plus 3 equals 0. Note that the standard form of a circle is standard form x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared is equal to r squared. When we have an equation like this, this will be an equation of circle with center at hk and radius r. So we need to write this equation in this form. Okay, that's the standard form. Then whatever the numbers we have in these places, hk, that will be the center, and quantity square on the right hand side, just r, that will be the radius. And look at this, x minus h quantity square. So we have to complete the square here because we have some quantity square, some quantity square, and we have only x square. If we expand this, it will be x square. So there is a 3x square. So this 3 should be we need to get rid of this 3. Okay, this should not be there. And here, look at this formula. When we expand, this is y square. There are no other numbers, so we have to get rid of this 3 as well. The good news, 3 and 3, we can factor 3 out, okay, from all 4 terms, and we can divide by that 3 because right hand side is 0. So when we divide both sides by 3, right hand side does not change. So let's factor 3 from all 4 terms. Okay, when we factor 3 out, this is x squared plus this is y squared plus 3 goes 12, 4y. Okay, no fraction, that's good news. Plus 3 is out, so just 1 equals 0. Now divide both sides by 3. Then we get x squared plus y squared plus 4y plus 1 equals, divide by 3, so 0 divided by 3 is still 0. Okay, so we have kind of normal equation. Now we need to write in this form. Okay, this should be something x minus something squared plus y minus something squared equals some number squared, and this hk, that's the center, r is the radius. Okay, so x squared, that's the only place. We have only one place. So this is x squared is same as x minus 0 squared. So this part is done, kind of easy for x. So x squared we can write as x minus 0 squared, or you can just put x squared, plus now y squared 4y. So y is in 2 different places, so we need to combine and write some quantity square. So how we do that? Recall, whenever we have, let's say, y squared plus some number y, or x squared plus bx, you might have done with x, same thing, x squared plus bx, then we need to add half of b. Okay, half of b squared, and that makes this thing a quantity square. This is called completing the square. X squared just x plus, and this is half of b we have. So we do the same thing here for y. Okay, y squared plus 4y. So 4 is kind of b, and half of, so let me write one more step, y squared plus 4y, and we don't need this number, we need number in the right hand side. So subtract 1 from both sides, minus 1 minus 1. So this will be minus 1. To complete the square here, y squared plus 4y, we need to add something. We need to add half of 4 squared. Half of 4 is 2. 2 is squared 4. So we need to add 4, and to balance, because this is an equation, we need to add 4 as well. Now these 3 terms, okay, then we can complete the square. This is like x squared plus bx plus half b squared, and this becomes as a plus. So this part is done, x minus 0 squared. Sometimes if we have like some number x, like in the previous problem, we have to do the same thing. Okay, here this will be complete square or quantity square, y plus is the sign, okay, plus or minus plus, and half of, because b half, that's half of b square, half of b was 2, this is 2 square, just 2. By the way, if you FOIL y plus 2 with y plus 2, because y plus 2 quantity squared, if you multiply y plus 2 with itself, then you're gonna get back y square plus 4y plus 4 is equal to, right inside 4 minus 1 is 3, negative 1 plus 4, 3. Okay, so we just put the given equation in the standard form. Maybe one more line. Let's do the following: x minus 0 square, just to match. Look at this on the right top. Okay, to match, x minus 0 square plus y plus 2 is same as y minus negative 2. Minus and negative make positive. Okay, y minus negative 2 square, just to put in this form, y minus k quantity square is equal to 3 is same as root 3 square, because square and square root cancel. Now from this we can write down the center hk. H is 0 and k is negative 2, and the radius is root 3 square, root 3. Okay, final.